Hello friends, this is a video regarding this mini DVR. This is also the world's smallest voice recorder. I have ordered this item from ebay.com. It's around $10, but it's a very useful thing. First, I will open it up. Here you got some bunch of things: the stand, the double stand, the charging cable, the case, another stand as well. Here is the mini DVR. This DVR is of tiny size. Here you can see the memory card option. Here there is a mode option where you can simply record while charging as well, or the backup is, this is power button. The backup is around 2 hours. This mini DVR is very useful. Wait, I show you up how it will record and how it will work as well. First, you have to put up this memory card in this mini DVR, because without this it will not work. After that, you will power it on. Now it is not charged yet. I have to look for the second one. Yeah, I got the second one. Yeah, this one. This is charged. You have to go on the power. First, there will be a blue light on this. Here it go. After that, you have to go on this. You have to record on this. After clicking on the record button, it will start recording. There is a blue and the red light. The red light means it's recording now. You can say it up here. There is a memory card inside that will be stored up. Now, how we will see this recording? First, I have to stop this one and take this USB cable here and connect it to your laptop. Here you can see my tabs are open. Here you can see it will install everything. First, go to my computer. It's not showing up. Yeah, it's there. There will be a local disk. Here you can open it up on video. Let me go on date modified. It's sorry, the date is not set yet. The latest clip will be this one. Recommended settings. I'll finish. Wow, it's not working. Here you can see the clip. You see the other clip as well. This clip, yeah, you can save it up. Thanks for watching.